Welcome to the Gujarat Cooperative Summit, sir. Today we are here for the first day and for the first time here in this summit in association with the government of Gujarat. And we have with us Mr. Ajit Sahijwani, who is a senior consultant of Fino Paytech Limited. Welcome to the summit, sir. Sir, we would also like to know about your experience when you are here today in the summit, where all the key officials from the government cooperative banks and the corporates are under one roof.
Today's program, cooperative banks and society who were present, and they well said during their speech also, E-LETS has done the job which actually other cooperative banks and cooperative sector should have done. But all the participants and the speakers are very thankful to E-LETS who organized this program. I think the subject is extremely relevant, and technology is something which take the cooperative bank, cooperative society to bigger heights, and technology will help the bank to compete with large banks through various modes. So I think the best the job E-LETS has done. I am sure in future also you please help this sector through your organizational skills and leadership. So I am really thankful once again to the organizers and the team here. Thank you.
Sir, today the theme of the summit is confidence restored on cooperatives. Given the factor that cooperatives is one of the most ignored or the smallest sector of operation, and also it shares a big chunk in the Indian economy, we would like to know about your comments or your views on it. Or do you think that how appropriately this has been said, or anything much should be added to it?
See, I have worked closely with many cooperative banks also. Of course, before cooperative banks, I was in public sector financial organizations also. See, cooperative banks, they are committed. Only thing they need some kind of always apprehensions are there about their technology, training their staff. So if these are removed, I think this is cooperative banks and cooperative society, they have huge scope. In fact, I will be happy to tell even large banks, no, they are looking at cooperative sector also, because cooperative banks, society, they have strong grassroots level contacts and faith also. So this is the sector, only it has lagged behind say by 10, 15, 20 years, but you have provided the opportunity, and technology only will change the banks, this cooperative sector, I believe. Thank you.
Any specific message that you would like to convey for E-LETS Technomedia for hosting this kind of conference?
See, organizers are extremely professional, and the subject they have chosen timely, and the speakers they have called from different corners of the country as well as from Gujarat. I think this is needed, and I congratulate the entire team. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.